listenaminute.com. Danger. Danger is everywhere. It's all around us. That's what I've decided. I thought about danger the other day and decided we live in a dangerous world. Even our house is full of danger. There are many chemicals in our cosmetics, cleaners, fridges, computers that are not good for us. The electric wiring could go wrong and electrocute us. We could fall down the stairs or slip on the kitchen floor. And then when we leave our house, we enter a dangerous world. Cars traveling at speed, people holding cigarettes, construction workers with heavy objects above our heads. All of these things present danger. Just turn on the news or open a local paper to see how much danger there is. I think I'll stay in bed today.